Have you ever wondered how to get your dream clients? I did too. My name is Brianna and I'm a full-time freelancer and entrepreneur. Whether you're just starting your business or you've been doing it for a while now, this is for you. I've had my fair share of client horror stories, but doing some of these helped me turn it around. The first step to attracting your dream clients is to understand fully who they are. First of all, you should know their needs, their goals, their pain points, and from there, you can tailor your services to address those specific pain points. Once you know exactly who your client is, you need to create a value proposition that speaks to their needs. This should explain how your services can help address their problems, because at the end of the day, that's the main point of a business, to solve problems. And even better is if you find a unique way to solve their problems that is different from any competitor out there. Below, I linked a free guide on writing a value proposition. Unfortunately, social media is not going away. So one of the things that you have to do is establish a strong personal brand or business brand and have an online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients, especially if you are in the digital space and you're a content creator or a photographer or a videographer, or even a graphic designer. This is really important to have a strong social presence or to at least be trying to build your brand. You should definitely have a website or a portfolio that showcases your expertise and your services. If you want to be nice, you could even include your pricing. Not everyone has to do that, but it makes it easier for some people. And don't forget to provide value and demonstrate industry knowledge on your profiles. One piece of advice I would tell my younger self is to not pick a client just for the money. Listen to your gut, because working with a bad client can cost you a lot more in the long run. When you're being fully present and you bring your true self to your meetings, when you have those intro calls, you'll either hit it off with that client or you won't, and then you kind of save yourself some time. All the clients that I have felt that I was true to myself and true to my gut instinct have been long-term client relationships. Instead of trying to sell your services right off the bat, offer value to those potential clients first. This could be in the form of free content, like the free PDF I have linked below, a complimentary consultation, or taking the time to email back answers to questions they may have. This will help build that trust and establish a relationship that even if you don't work together right now, maybe in 6 months or a year, they'll reach back out when they're ready. Try and network with people. As scary as it might sound, it really puts you in a good position to succeed. Something that I'm trying to work on more is going to local events in my area. As someone who works from home and runs my business from home, I didn't think that going to an event in person would be worth it for me, but honestly, I'm trying to push myself to do that, and I'm trying to reach out to that local community. Word of mouth can just be a huge drive for your business. For me, I know word of mouth was everything. So even when you do get that client, make sure that you're doing your best and just being fully present with them, because you never know what they could say about you in the future. Going back to what I said earlier, don't chase the money. Once you get those clients, you're not only getting to know those people in a business setting, but you're also creating a connection with them. The reason that I feel like I found clients that I enjoy working with is because I don't focus on what I can gain from them or what could be gained from them. Always focus on if this is going to make you content and also the value that you can give to the other person. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're a freelancer, let me know what you do in the comments. I'd love to get to know a little bit about who's watching my videos. I know attracting your dream clients can be difficult, but I promise it's worth it. Thank you all for watching and good luck.